Hey guys, we're here. Today we're gonna run Audacity on Kali Linux. Now to download it, go to www.audacity.org/download/linux, and then you're gonna scroll down to App Image and download App Image. Now see this right here, left click the link below, make sure app image is runnable, right click properties permission, if not. So if that doesn't work, open your terminal, right? So open the folder your app images, right click, open terminal here, and then it'll open the terminal in the directory where you want it to, then you don't have to cd to app image, cd plus x path to your Audacity app image. I got 2 minutes till it's done downloading. Actually, I think I downloaded it twice. So let's show in folder. This is how you're gonna run it. We're gonna right click this. Oh, I'm just posting this due to the comment that was put up. So anybody else has any more ideas, they can. So properties. Go over to permissions. Allow this program to run as file. Now we're gonna double click it to see if it works now, but if it doesn't, you would then do the right click. Here, I'll show you. If it doesn't work, just do a right click in this folder off to the side, open terminal here, and then you'd want to go back to the website that you're downloaded it from, nice, quick, and easy, and copy that command, which is chmod. It's just like that, plus times, and you'd put audacity.appimage, and then that would probably do the same thing as right clicking it, permission, run as a program. Easy out. Have a good day. Adios amigos. Sayonara. See you later. Hasta la vista. Ciao. Au revoir. Arrivederci. And the whole other 9 yards that goes around with it. Have a good one, guys.